In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a YouTube video to a PowerPoint presentation. Whether you're about to make a dynamic presentation for a school project, a business meeting, or just to share some fun content, incorporating a YouTube clip can make your slides engaging and lively. So let's dive into the steps that will make this task a breeze. First, you'll want to open up Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. You might already have it pinned on your taskbar, or perhaps it's sitting on your desktop or nestled within your Start menu. Wherever it's hiding, go ahead and launch the PowerPoint application. Once you're inside, navigate to the presentation you want to enhance by selecting it from your recent files or browsing through your folders. This part is crucial because you'll need a specific slide to place your video on. Make sure you select the right presentation and double click to open it. Once inside your presentation, take a look at the top menu where all your editing options reside. Here's where we begin the insertion process. Click on the Insert tab, which is usually nestled between Home and Design. This tab is your best friend for adding new elements to your slides, from charts and shapes to the videos we're focusing on today. Now, still nestled under the Insert tab is an option labeled Media. This is your gateway for adding dynamic content. Give it a click, and within the drop-down menu that appears, you'll notice several media options. Our target today is video. Click on video and another small menu will appear, typically offering you choices like online video and this device. For our purposes, since we're embedding a YouTube video, you'll want to select online video. Once you hit online video, a box will pop up asking for a URL. This is where you'll need the URL link of the YouTube video you want to add. Head over to YouTube, find your video and copy its URL from the address bar. Then return to PowerPoint and paste this link into the box provided. After pasting, click Insert and PowerPoint will automatically embed the video onto your selected slide, complete with controls and a thumbnail depicting the video content. And there you have it, your YouTube video is now part of your PowerPoint presentation, ready to wow your audience. Just remember to test your links and ensure internet access is available during your presentation if you plan on sharing it live. With this addition, your presentations will not only look professional, but also captivate attention with dynamic content. Thank you for watching, and happy presenting.